Okay, now the next thing we have to do is verify if your domain has been verified with mailing bots, because you're seeing this, the campaign email too won't be sent because the form email is not a validated sender, right? So we basically need to verify the domain, if the domain has been verified with mailing boss. Okay, so hhstars.com and happyhealthstar.com, right? Verified no, happyhealthstar.com verified no. So this has not been verified, the domain. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have to verify this domain, of course. uh, that's number one. And secondly, let's go to sender emails. So sender email is also not there. So let's go back to domains. So we have to complete this step. Now, how exactly we're going to complete this step? We're going to complete it by going to our hosting account. In your case, it would be HostGator, right?
Creator.
Okay, so in this subject, we're going to log into your HostGator account and add that part.